Hey guys, Mark Victor here. You already know who we are. We're the firm you want if you get charged with a serious crime. But for the first time ever, the Attorneys on Retainer program is now available nationally. What does that mean for you? It means you don't have to pay my $650 an hour to have the services of me and my firm to represent you. For $100 one-time sign-up fee and $35 a month, you know that you become a client of the Attorneys for Freedom law firm. And if you get charged with even a serious crime, murder, manslaughter, accidental discharge, yeah, that's right. We even cover the accidental discharge case, aggravated assault, any serious felony where you say, hey, Mark, I acted in self-defense. Guess what your legal fees are going to be? How about $0? But what if I go to trial, Mark? What if I say I want to go to trial? I don't want a financial disincentive to try my case. No problem is the answer back. How much are your legal fees for a full-blown jury trial all the way to verdict? How about $0? Completely comped. What do you have to do to get in the program? Again, $100 sign up, $35 a month. But the key here, you got to do this before you're charged with the crime or before the incident occurs that gets you charged with the crime. In other words, you got to sign up before you need us. Think about it. The peace of mind you get from having a real attorney in a real law firm that you know is committed to freedom and the Second Amendment and self-defense on your team. The peace of mind you're going to have to know your legal fees are completely covered. No matter where you live in the United States, whether it's state or federal court, we got you. So people say, hey, Mark, how can you do out-of-state cases if you're only licensed in Arizona and in Hawaii? No problem. I've done this many, many times before. Never had a problem. There's a rule, some Latin for you, pro hoc vice. What does it mean? It means we're going to be admitted in your state for one case. How do we do it? It's fairly easy. We get a local counsel on board. If you're in the national program, we cover that fee, no problem. We will select the local attorney who meets our standards, somebody who we like, somebody who can be a member of the team locally, and that person will get us admitted to appear in your state. What are we going to appear for? All of the serious hearings. We'll be there for any evidentiary hearings, release conditions, serious substantive motions, a trial. If you wind up taking a deal, we'll be there for the sentencing. All of the important hearings, you're going to get me and my team handling the case. No problem. We've never once been denied on an application for pro hoc vice. They're fairly simple. We show the other state that we are in good standing in our state. Local attorney moves to get us admitted, and boom, we are admitted to practice law in your state. No, you don't need to hire an attorney in your state. All you need is the Attorneys for Freedom law firm. You can get us on the hook for $100 plus $35 a month, but you got to think in advance of you needing us. Look, if you want all the bells and whistles that some of these other programs offer, our program is priced reasonably enough. You can still hire the other guys for training and scene cleanup and bond fees and everything else if that's what you want. But I'm just suggesting start with the important stuff. Get the lawyer you want standing by, ready to represent you, the lawyers who have experience defending these kinds of cases. My name is Mark Victor. If you have questions, just give me a shout. I'm a real lawyer and I'm easy to get a hold of. Happy to chat with you anytime. AttorneysForFreedom.com. Peace.